Next question is question 13 from exercise 5.2, a very important question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay, so in such questions you have to only consider the positive numbers. Okay, so how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So which is the first 3-digit number not divisible by 7? Normal first 3-digit number is what? It is 100. And which is the last 3-digit number? It is 999. Okay, but is 100 divisible by 7? No. Is 999 divisible by 7? No. Okay, so in such questions we need to find the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7, and also we need to find the last 3-digit number that is divisible by 7, and then use AN formula. Okay, we need to find the first 3-digit number divisible by 7 and the last 3-digit number divisible by 7, and then we need to use the AN formula. Okay, so this is what you need to remember. So the challenge is how to find the first 3-digit number divisible by 7 and the last 3-digit number divisible by 7. Okay, that we will see. Now, if a number is divisible by 7, the difference between the two numbers will always be 7. Okay, what do you mean by this? Let's take the numbers starting from 1 that are divisible by 7. Okay, so which is the first number divisible by 7 starting from 1? It is 7, because 7 upon 7 is 1. Which is the second number that is divisible by 7? It is 14. 14 upon 7 is 2. Which is the third number? It is 21. Okay, divided by 7 you get 3. So 21 is divisible by 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 are the numbers divisible by 7. So what is the difference between such numbers? Okay, first number is 7, second number is 14. Difference between them is 7. So when a number is divisible by 7, okay, the difference between all such numbers which are divisible by 7 will always be 7. So D is equal to 7. If the question was how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 4, what would have been the difference? Would have been 4. The difference between two such numbers which are divisible by 4 will be 4. Okay, the next two numbers, of course. If the question was how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 8, then D would have been 8. So remember this. Okay, so when this is 7, D is equal to 7. Now, an easy method to find the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. Okay, so you can even do a trial and error. Like what you can do is you take 100, not divisible by 7, 101, not divisible by 7, 102, not divisible by 7. Like this you can do, or I will tell you an easy method. Okay, to find out the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. Okay, the method is since 100 is the first 3-digit number, you take that number 100 divided by 7. Okay, so 7 ones are 7, 100 minus 7 is 10 minus 7 is 3, 0 comes here, 7 fours are 28. So what is the remainder that is left? It is 2. Okay, so what you do if the remainder is not 0? Okay, since 100 is not divisible by 7, the remainder is not 0, it is 2. Okay, 7 14s are 98. You can even do directly. 7 14s are 98. So you will get remainder as 2. So to find the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7, what you do is you divide 100 by 7. You get remainder as 2. Then you add these two numbers. Okay, 7 and 100. You add it. So I have just shown it like this. So 100 plus 7 is what? 107. And then subtract 2. So 100 plus 7 is 107 minus 2. So 107 minus 2 is what? 105. So you will automatically get the first number that is divisible by 7. So 105 is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. Okay, you can pause this video and listen to it again. The last 2 minutes content you can watch again. Okay, this is how you find the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. Okay, so what I said, 7 plus 100 minus 2. So 107 minus 2, 105 is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. It's an easy method of finding. Otherwise you can use trial and error method. Okay, take 100, 101, 102, divide it by 7 and all. If you directly know it, you directly write 105. You don't need to show those steps. Okay. Now, how to find the last 3-digit number divisible by 7? Okay, which is the last 3-digit number? 999. So you divide it by 7. Okay, you get remainder as 5. Okay, just see this division. You get remainder as 5. So in that, to find first 3-digit number, what we did? We added these two numbers and subtracted this. Okay, remainder. Here we should not add it. We should directly subtract. So 999 minus the remainder, that is 5. So 999 minus 5 is equal to 994 is last 3-digit number divisible by 7. So this is the last 3-digit number divisible by 7. So this is just a method to find the last 3-digit number that is divisible by 7. If you know any other better method, you can directly use it. Okay. These steps are not important. What is important is this number you should get and this number you should get. Okay. How you get it is not important. It doesn't have any marks. Okay. Now, so what we got? We got first number divisible by 7 is 105. We got last number. Okay, we don't know what is its position, whether it is 20th number, 35th number, we don't know. So we write the last number as an is equal to 994. The nth number that is divisible by 7 is 994. Difference is equal to 7. And we should find how many such numbers are divisible by 7. So n is equal to question mark. So a is known, an is known, d is known. We need to find n. Okay. Now, so use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute these values. Okay. Simplify it. We have done it many times. Simplify it. And you get n is equal to 128. Okay. That means 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Okay. Okay. In this method, if you get remainder as 0, okay, then don't add these two and then subtract 0 from it, because if the remainder is 0, that means this number is divisible by this number, right? For example, if there was 4 here, then 4 25s are 100. 25 into 4 is 100. Okay, so which is the so 100 minus 100, you will get remainder as 0. That means 100 is divisible by 4. So the first 3-digit number divisible by 4 will be what? 100. You don't have to do 100 plus 4, 104 minus 0, that is 104. No. Okay. So we need to use common sense. If the 100 is divisible by 4, that means the remainder will be 0. So 100 will be the first number, first 3-digit number divisible by 4. Okay. We don't have to add and subtract 0 from it. Then we will get wrong answer. Okay. So when we need to follow this method, we need to follow this method when the remainder is not 0. If the remainder is already 0, okay, for example, I'll just show you here. If we are given that divisible by 4, the question is how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 4? What I will do? I should know actually that 100 is the first number divisible by 4. 100 is the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 4. Okay, so by mistake, if you do use this method, what you divide 100 by 4, okay, you will get 4 into 25, 100, 0. Okay, so from this you should know that okay, 100 is divisible by 4. But if you use this method, what? 100 plus 4 minus 0, then what you will get? 100 plus 4 is 104. Minus 0 is what? 104 minus 0 is 104. So you will write 104 is the first 3-digit number divisible by 4, but it's wrong. Okay, so I repeat, when the remainder is 0, don't follow this method, because when the remainder is 0, it means 100 is already divisible by 4. So 100 is the first number that is divisible by 4. Okay, so don't do this. You do this only when the remainder is not 0. If the remainder is 0, that means this number is divisible by this number.